Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing and a review, and it's come all the way from America. Yes, it's a Colourpop unboxing, and I'm really excited to share with you these products today because it's very on trend, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy today's video. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you do stay, and I hope you guys enjoy what I'm about to share with you today. If you are a regular here, hello and thank you for coming back to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I managed to get my hands on the Colourpop Neon collection, and they look absolutely incredible. So I'm going to quickly go through the palettes with you and the lip oils that they've come out with, and also the eyeliners, and then we'll quickly put a bit of makeup on as well. I've got some foundation and bronzer on as well, just to, you know, get ourselves started ahead of whatever. And then yeah, so first up we have the Neon Glaze and Gaze, and this is the yellow palette. They are so small and really cute and compact. So this is what this one looks like. So this is Neon Gaze, and that is the shades we have there. Okay, so this is the palette, and I will go through the colours with you now. So starting from this end here, we have Drive, Future, Glowscape, which is the neon yellow. Probably use that a few times, or maybe do a cut crease and then maybe use that for it to really pop out. Then we've got Beats, and then we've got Kinetic, which is this one here. So that is the first palette, and that's what that one looks like. Then next up we have Moon Haze, which is the orange neon, matching my nails, because gone with the theme this month, because I've got quite a few. Obviously the Makeup Revolution has come out with a neon heat palette as well, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you guys as well. So this is the next palette, like I said, and it's in Moon Haze. So we'll just do a quick swatch as well. So here is the shades on here, and we've got, starting from this one here, these colours are stunning. We've got Outland, Electro, Dreamwave, Quantum and Astral. So there's quite a few browns in these. I wouldn't say they were very neon-y, but I think it's the middle colour, which is obviously the main neon colour. So yeah, I don't know which palette I'm going to go for yet. We'll still decide. Then next up we have Colour Vision. This is what I'm most excited about. You know what I'm like with my pink. So that's what this one looks like. And then inside, just look at that pink. How gorgeous is that? Okay, so I'll do a quick swatch and then come back to you again. Okay, so here is the pink neon. There, it looks stunning. And then we'll go again with Arcade. So this is this one here. Then it's Pixel, which is a very light nude. You can just barely see it. Then we've got Laser Tech, Digital and Wrap, or Warp, shall I say, not Wrap. They are the palettes, which they look absolutely stunning. Oh, you know I'm gravitating to this pink, don't you? But I feel like I need to do something different. I think it may be the orange or the yellow. Intrigued about the yellow. Okay, then next up we have some eyeliners. These are the gel liners, and then we've got this really bright neon yellow. Look at that. Wow, that's bright. Wish I was going to some sort of festival now with all these neon colours. They're amazing. And we've got the pink. This is called Insomnia, and the yellow is called Crease. I don't know. Just snapped it. A bit too excited then, and I snapped it. Oh wow. Now that's what you call neon. And then the last shade is the orange one. So they go really well with the palettes. Just make sure I don't break that one. I've snapped that one off as well. Oh. Literally just snapped it off. This goes really well with my nails. Oh man, very good, is it? So they are those three there. Oh my gosh, I really don't know which palette to go for or what look to go for, because I really want to try a bit of everything. Let's do one eye. Honestly, I'm really bad with this jumper today. I've dirtied it. I feel like a kid, you know, when whatever you touch, it just gets dirty. Excuse me. Right then, we have here the three. Ooh. What is wrong with me today? So here we have the 3 lip oils that they've actually come out with. They're neon lip oils, and I'm intrigued to see how these come out. So first up we have Hot Spark, which is an orange, going really well with the nails, isn't it? I've got a feeling it's going to probably look better on the lips than it would on the hand, but yeah, that's the orange. Then we have Pink Circuit, so that's pink maybe, obviously. Yeah, I think this has got on the lips. Pink one there. And then we've got Cosmic Click, or Click. So that's like a fuchsia pink. Oh, look, yeah. And this is like a hot pink. Definitely got to try these on the lips. But yeah, that looks like it's going to stand out a mile away. Stunning. So they are the lip oils. So that is the Neon collection from Colourpop. Now, let's get it onto the eyes. We'll put some false lashes on. Let's go the whole, you know, pretend we're in the 80s. Okay, so what colour do I go for? Do I go pink, orange or yellow? I feel like I need to go with something orange. Maybe orange because of the lip glosses as well with the pink. Oh my god, I don't know. Let me just take a sip of my coffee. Let's get in a little bit closer. Okay, so let me just double check to see. You know I'm like with my pinks. I absolutely love my pink, but I feel like I need to do something different. Go out of my comfort zone, don't you think? So maybe, I don't know. I'm stuck. Let's go with the orange. Let's go with the orange. We'll do the orange, yeah? Let's do this palette. If we don't like it, we can. I could do one of each eye, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So let's start off with some primer. Oh, my drawers seriously need a good clean out. They are really, really bad. They're messy. I'm just going to put some primer on to the lid. Give it a nice little base. Okay. I wish I could do that cut crease and then put a line like that, but I'm just really, really bad at eyeshadow. So we'll just go with whatever I you know, decide to come out with, which is not a lot, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, so let's go in with this shade right here. So this is Quantum. We're going to go in with the into the crease.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
So on the palette, it's like a brown, but it's coming out more of like an orangey brown.
I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave.
Maybe go in with a bit of Astral onto the end.
Been so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every.
Let's go in with, I'm going to do some of that dream work all over the lid, but shall we put a cut crease maybe? Let's see what we can do first. Maybe if I put that with my finger.
High every night with you.
I think we should do a cut crease on that. Just going to quickly do a cut crease and I'll be back. Okay, so I've done a cut crease and then now we're going to go in and put the orange neon colour on and see if it works.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
And then I'm just going to take some of this electro type here and just do straight in the middle. I think it just separates it. I think that looked really nice. So shall I get a, yeah, let me get another brush, just add it there and there, just something different. Just going to add it to the light there, just like that. What do you think? Is it something you would like to do? And then I'm going to go in with outline and just blend it out, add into the tear duct and then my brow bone. So let's take another brush.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend.
Okay, and then I'm going to take the gel liner and I'm going to just use that into my waterline.
I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this.
And then I'm just going to take whatever's on the brush here and just go underneath. So I'm using the orange glow.
Until we couldn't do it, each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
What do you think? Let's put put a bit of mascara on, and then we are going to go in and we're going to use the P. Louise Feel Please eyelash. I'm going to let them go, just settle for a little bit. So with the formula, it feels a little bit chalky. I'm not going to lie. It has a lot, but there hasn't been much fallout, which is really good, because I really thought that I would have to clear up a bit. But to be honest with you, nothing's really dropped onto the skin, so there's not that much fallout. But they actually come quite powdered. They do actually feel a little bit powdery than normal, the formulas, but they're going on a nice little treat as well, so that's good. Could have put some mascara on, and I'm going in with the Spectrum Dark Matter mascara. I absolutely love this.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to Nothing Matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your world.
Okay, so we've got mascara on, and now we're going to put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Our lashes are on. These lashes are stunning. Give it a thumbs up. What do you think of the look I've created? I actually quite like the fact that I just put a little bit of glitter on a horizontal there. It looks quite cute, I think. Do you agree? Leave a comment down below or give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are like over 880 now, so I'm really excited, and I can't wait to really hit that number, because it's just an achievement. And obviously, you know, it is hard to keep these videos going. I've actually uploaded over 200 videos now, which I can't believe it. It's been an absolute mental roller coaster of a ride, and I'm absolutely loving the journey that I'm on and sharing all these videos with you guys as well. But that's not what this video is about. It's about Colourpop. So we've done that. Now I have got to add a bit of highlighter on. Let's go in with a bit of Ciate London highlighter. Actually goes really well with the eyeshadow. This is a nice summer glow look as well. I was on holiday. Oh my god, it would be perfect. Okay. Just sort that eyelash out because it's lifted. Okay, it seems to be lifting for some reason. Right, let's go in with the lip oil, and we're going to go in with Hot Spark. Obviously the orange. I'm wondering if I need to put like a nude maybe underneath. Okay, so I've had to put a few layers on. I don't know if you know, maybe if you should put like a nude or maybe like an orange lipstick underneath, because I've got a really nice bright orange, which would have gone perfect, and then apply this on top maybe. I'm gonna give it another go, and you can see the orange. You can see the orange actually on the lip oil, but yeah, it's really nice. So here is a bit of an up close and personal on the eye look. What do you think? Give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed today's video. So quick recap on the Colourpop Neon collection. We have these gorgeous palettes, so I would definitely create some looks using the other two palettes. You know I am like on, definitely want to get this pink one, create a pink look. So these are the three palettes. How gorgeous are they? And then we have the 3 lip glosses, the lip oils shall I say. They're not sticky at all, and they're really giving my lips some really nice hydration, so they are so cool. I'm just thinking, shall I put the hot one pink on and see if that... You can see the pink one, that is pink. So they've got no smell to them. They are really soft and hydrating, and they're not sticky whatsoever. They are going to keep your lips nice and hydrated. So they are the 3 colours that we've got there. Love them. And then last but not least, we have the eyeliners. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. We've got the 3 eyeliners. Yes, we are all very neon with the theme. I actually did my nails neon on purpose because I knew that I was going to be filming all these neon collections that are coming up and a craze for this summer. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye!